Today, me and my dad are gonna go pre-fish a tournament at Lake Wilhelm. Nice. Biggin. Biggin. Biggins only, cat. Dang, son. This is a nice one. Whoa! Yes! Let's go! There you go, guys. On the Strike King Rage Tail. Alright guys, so what I'm doing right now is I'm throwing a Strike King Rage Tail on a swim bait hook, and I'm just picking it apart the bank here, and this is what I just caught it on, just flipping it up, get a little lift, and he was on there. Snagged. I just tied my craw, same craw, onto a different rod, this rod right here. Yeah, I'm still fishing the exact same way. Still fishing the Strike King Rage Tail Okeechobee craw color on a 5/0 VMC hook. Still just tearing apart the bank, flipping, and yeah, wish me luck. Well, I just got a backlash. Oh, I got one too. Gosh. Holy crap. We're right at the boat. There you go. Little dink. Here's number 2, guys. Little dink. There you go. not even 10 inches probably. There you go. Hey guys, it was a pretty tough day today. I mean, I caught 2 fish, one 15-incher, one probably like 10-inch bass. Yeah, my dad only caught one on a craw. So I'm pretty sure I'm going to throw the blue craw in the tournament, and wish me luck. Thank you for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe and like the video.